Hello there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fonz and I review lots of contact lenses here on YouTube, but today I'm not going to review a contact lens, although the ones that I'm wearing are very pretty. These are Hydrocore Ocre by the brand Solotica in the yearly collection. But you know, a lot of people just enter the contact lens world without proper information in order to keep their eyes healthy and safe. And so that's why I am here giving you guys this knowledge. So as you wear your contact lenses, over time it starts building protein and bacteria and other microscopic little things that we can't really see with our human eyes. And so over time, if we don't take care of the contact lenses, that could lead to eye irritation, uncomfortableness, and to the extreme cases, vision loss. It is so crucial for you guys to be cleaning your contact lenses, specifically contact lenses that last at least 6 months or more, because this contact lens solution, the one that you use to store your contact lenses in, doesn't completely disinfect. Although it's marketed as a disinfectant solution, yes, it kind of disinfects the contact lens, but it doesn't really clean the contact lens fully. In order to clean the contact lens fully, you need a hydrogen peroxide based contact lens solution. Now, the one that I use is by Alcon, which actually they are the ones that make the Opti-Free contact lens solution that I use. But this specific hydrogen peroxide contact lens solution is specifically designed to clean your contact lenses fully as if you just bought them. So I'm going to teach you guys how to properly use Clear Care, which is the hydrogen peroxide based contact lens solution, in this video. But before we start, please never use a hydrogen peroxide based contact lens solution directly in your contact lens case or in your eyes. Please do not do that. That could lead to severe eye irritation or even vision loss. So my guinea pig for this video is going to be Hydrocore Graphite by Solotica. I have had these contact lenses approximately for, I would say, 5 months or so, and I haven't cleaned them ever since. So it's about dang time for me to properly clean these contact lenses. Even the contact lens case is a little bit stuck. And luckily they are not dried out. So your hydrogen peroxide based solution will come with a kit. It comes with this little vial here where you will store your contact lenses. So according to the instructions of that, by the way, came in this box. I had to open it fully to read everything in here to make sure that I'm using it the correct way. But what the directions say is for you to first fill up this little fella right here. And if it's a little dirty, it's not the inside, it's the outside. I just have my hands a little bit wet because I've been touching this. But if you look closely, there seems to be like a line, and that is the threshold. You're supposed to fill up your little vial, your little tube, up to that line. So you don't want to underfill it or overfill it. Right there. That is the perfect amount. Next, what you're going to do, you're going to place that down. You are going to grab the other attachment, and please make sure that you have washed your hands before you do this process. It is very important. This little attachment has 2 little cages. I like to call them little cages. One is for your right contact lens and the other one is for your left contact lens. So you're gonna lift one up, you're going to grab your contact lens, and then you're just gonna place it in there and then close the little cage. You're gonna do that for the other side, and bam. And yes, you can use this contact lens solution for colored contact lenses. After you have inserted both of the contact lenses in the cages, you're going to run over to your sink and you are going to squirt the solution on the contact lenses for at least 5 seconds. Okay, so now that both of the contact lenses are in this attachment, all you're going to do is you're just going to insert it in there, give it a nice twist, lock it in, and then you're going to start to see some magic happen. It's gonna start bubbling a lot. You're not gonna wanna shake it. You're not gonna wanna do any frisky movements. You're just going to leave it in a safe place where no one's gonna touch it. And you are going to leave it in there for at least 6 hours. Again, you're going to leave it alone for 6 hours or more, not any less, okay? 6 hours or more. What this is doing is extracting all of the buildup protein and bacteria that may be in the contact lens. That way it is perfectly clean whenever the process is done. After the 6 hours have gone by, what you're going to do is you're going to remove it from the little vial, from the little bottle. You are going to grab your contact lens case and get rid of that old solution. Fill it up with new solution, the contact lens solution, not the clear care solution. Again, this will potentially leave you blind. Do not use this in your contact lens case. Use your contact lens solution, fill it up, and then transfer your contact lenses in here. And I would suggest leaving them in there for at least an hour, I would say. And this is just personal preference for me. I like to have a little bit more moisture in my contact lens after it has gone through the peroxide process. I have found that if I just take them out of here after the 6 hours have gone by, the contact lenses still feel a little bit dry. So I like to bring back the moisture with the other contact lens solution. And that is it. You are more than safe to apply the contact lenses in your eyeballs without burning your eyes. As always, please consult with your doctor before you use any type of product, even this product, because there are people that can be allergic to the chemicals that are included in this product, in this solution. So always make sure that you are not allergic to any of the chemicals listed in the box. Please always replace the contact lens solution every time you use your contact lenses. Do not store them. Please do not store them in old contact lens solution. You are just reinfecting yourself. It's like you using the same underwear every single day. Like, no, don't be nasty. Clean your contact lenses. Another way for you to make sure that your contact lenses will be clean is, first of all, wash your hands with some antibacterial soap. And then you're going to remove the contact lens from the case. You're going to apply it in the palm of your hand. And then you are going to squirt some contact lens solution directly onto the contact lens. And then you're just gonna do this over and over and over. And then again, squirt it again. After that, get the contact lens, and then you can apply it in your eyeball. I find that if I do all of these steps, there is no discomfort, no irritation. So if you are experiencing some type of burning sensation in your eyeball, please follow these directions. It doesn't matter if your contact lenses are brand new or if you've had them for a month. Always do this. And you know what's so cool about this is that you can do this every single day. There are no issues whatsoever for you to use the hydrogen peroxide solution every single day. In fact, I recommend it if you are someone that likes to stay clean. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Leave me any questions or comments down below. And again, take care, much love, and I will see you guys next time.